Who's that, Letterlander? It's AB Story Time with Miss Anna. My J sound box. Jumping Jim had a box. I will find things that begin with my J sound, he said. I will put them into my sound box. But first, Jumping Jim put on his jeans and his jacket. I will jump, he said. He jumped over the box like a jumping jack. And then he jumped into the box. I am a jack in a box, he said. Then he jumped up. Jumping Jim jumped up the hill. I will jump like Jack and Jill, he said. Then he jumped down the hill. Then he saw a jack-o'-lantern. Did he put the jack-o'-lantern into his box? J. He did. Jumping Jim jumped until he saw jackrabbits. The jackrabbits were jumping everywhere. So cute. Did he put the jumping jackrabbits into the box with the jack-o'-lantern? J. He did. Then he jumped until he saw jays. The jays cried, Jay, 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 Jay. Jumping Jim threw them into the box with the jack-o'-lantern and the jackrabbits. Now the box was full. Then Jumping Jim found a jeep. He put the box with the jackrabbits, jays, and jack-o'-lantern into the jeep and drove into the jungle. Jumping Jim saw a jaguar. Oh no! And the jaguar was about to jump on the jackrabbits. And then Jumping Jim held up the jack-o'-lantern and the jaguar ran away. And then Jumping Jim saw Jumbo, the jolly elephant. Jumbo is too big for my sound box, he said. But Jumping Jim found a jet, a jumbo jet. It was big enough for animals and everything else. The end. Jumping Jim word list. Jacket, jeans, jack in the box, jack-o'-lantern, jackrabbit, jaguar, jay, jeep, jungle, jet. Bye! J. Who's that, Letterlander? It's Jumping Jim! J.
Let's all go